That is not my cigarette. There's no cigarette right there. I don't smoke.
Shut the fuck up! No, you shut the fuck up! You shut the fuck up! Never mind. Don't you do that? No, you stop talking.
You're rude. Fuck you.
I love you. What?
Fucking asshole. Fucking asshole.
Mr. Graybird, what do you